Just me and the drummer on this song. Taking rhyming lessons. One day John Bay came my way just to say, "Hey, where's the hay?" on this fine day in the month of May. While I'm sitting on the dock of the bay and I'm watching the ships rolling away. Who wrote this song? Otis Redding and Steve Cropper. Steve Cropper has one of the famous, he got the most famous guitar riff in rock and roll music. Okay, that's Steve Cropper. It's not going off for me. I don't know what's going on here. Anyway, got to tell this joke. I'm going to get in trouble for it. I know I'm going to get in trouble for it. There's a guy and a very vicious dog. The dog is on a leash. He's walking in a funeral procession. He's got two hearses in front of him. He's got a front hearse and a back hearse. Now behind him and the dog, there's a line of men. There's 50 guys in this line behind him. It's a line of 50 men. Pedestrians on the sidewalk, he sees what's going on. He walks up to the guy with the dog, he says, "What's going on here?" Guy with the dog says, "Well, in the first hearse is my wife. The dog here, she tried to take the food away from him, the dog turned on her and he killed her. The second hearse is my mother-in-law. She intervened, the dog turned on her, killed her too." So the pedestrian saying, "You think I could borrow the dog?" So the guy with the dog said, "Get in the back of the line." I'm going to get in trouble for that joke, I know. Nobody watches these videos anyway, so it won't be that severe. Have a nice day in Jersey.